I am going to hang out with some friends today, so yay! I've been back from college for a while now, or just for a couple of days, but I'm gonna be hanging out with some friends, so I'm gonna go pick them up, and we're gonna be on our way. We're gonna go eat pho, cause you know, pho is life. Yep. I'm like waiting for my friend to come out right now, and I'm bored. Oh, the radio's loud. We're gonna go eat pho today. I gotta go pick up another friend, so I know it's gonna be a while before we get pho, but I really want pho. I love pho. Where is my friend?
Why are you filming me?
Because. Just because.
I take classes.
You the sriracha man now?
And you hit it with that. This is Pho 101. You hit it with that. What's this? Chili paste. Oh my. So good.
So good.
Like this much?
Yeah. Oh no.
Your buzz will be on fire for the next 3 hours. You hit that, right? I don't know who puts fish sauce in their damn food, but I don't do fish sauce. I guess he does. So I guess we're not friends anymore. Okay, hit me over with some of that sugar, because I am your neighbor. Right? Hit with that.
That was nasty.
And then this is the motion, right? You put out, you put in, and then you bring it up, and then you spread and you clear it up like that. And like, oh my goodness! Why is there no bean sprouts in here now?
Do you like the salt man?
True, see?
Jalapenos. I don't know who said jalapeno, but jalapenos. Some more of this. Hit this.
Some leaves.
Some of that leaves.
Some of the green.
The full motion. Not pho. Now you think pho. Alright, don't say it like a WP, alright?
A WP? Yeah, white person.
I know for a second I was like, wait, what is it?
Because we're POC, we're people of color.
Oh.
Yeah.
How's it?
It's spicy.
It's delicious.
It's spicy.
Yes, now he takes off her dress. Now let me go.
Oh. You take a picture when it's ready.
I'm not taking a picture, I'm just videotaping. Whoa, mom making pot stickers. What's this pot of pho? There's no beef. There's no beef. Store. We're not gonna get beef, so don't worry.
Yeah. We're gonna eat pretty soon here. We'll be back in like 10 minutes.
That's not true.
Don't bring any beef, huh?
I won't bring any
We're not
beef.
bringing any beef.
We had hip hop.
Oh my goodness.
Oh gosh. This song. Just kidding, I like this song. To an extent.
That's like every song out there. It's like a hair tie. Okay?
Okay, so we just got out of Forever 21. And guess what I got? You're gonna be like, oh, that's not you, Brittany. I got ramen socks. More ramen socks. Whoo. And then I got some socks for my friend. So I'm gonna be excited to give those to her. And then I got a shirt, which I probably will do a try on later for you guys, just to show you what I got. Then I got a pair of leggings.
Here, one or two?
Okay, not a pair. I got leggings. I just got one legging. I got one legging.
Alright, let's go.
Oh, Sriracha.
I love sriracha.
새로만 남은 시도 왠지 몰라도 그게 안 돼 everyday 너 아니면 안 된다고 끝이란 있을 수 없다고 It ain't over till it's over It ain't over till it's over It ain't over till 너의 사랑을 멈춰도 나는
Here we got Somi, a Poto, and a star.
Guys, too.
Holy smokes. Fresh caught fish. Watch Pepe's paw like in the side of the camera.
Here you go.
Wow, thanks. That's a rice to fish ratio. It's like one bite.
That's totally how we do it.
I don't think so.
It is a little photo. So me here. Oh. Pepe, you gotta see the table even though he steals.
He's like, I see it.
Pepe, no. You stay there. You get that seat and that's it.
He's like, oh, that's food.
You know, he stole fish from me before.
So basically I ended up doing like a month-long vlog even though it wasn't my intentions. I basically created a vlog for the month of May, and like that wasn't my intentions, but I was so used to vlogging every month that it kind of just happened. So yeah, this is my life vlog number 3. This is my 3rd life vlog. So it's basically like what happened after I left college, which was basically nothing. Like nothing really exciting happened. Now that I think about it, I'm like, nothing really happened, but yeah, it's just basically me getting back from college. So hope you guys liked it. What is he doing? Oh, he's just drinking water. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. And stay tuned for other videos that might be on its way. You don't know. Yeah. Oh gosh. Have a good day, guys. Mwah.
Breathing in the air tonight, 'cause I'm hoping we'll be feeling alright.